Okay guys, welcome to olujoseph.com. My name is Olu Joseph and I just want to quickly shoot this short video for you. And what is the topic? 6 types of contents to post on Facebook. Now, if you have a Facebook account, you can actually follow these steps, And the first kind of content that people love to follow or share these. One, short videos. Number one, short videos, 60 seconds to 40 seconds to 60 seconds videos, very short, or whatever it is you want to tell somebody. Just shoot a short video and then you post it on Facebook. This kind of videos go viral. The second type of content you should put on Facebook is short articles. For ladies, you can say 7 steps to beauty, how to bake cake in 5 minutes. These short articles, how to outrun your colleagues or your competitors in sales. You can write short articles and then you post on your Facebook page. And then the third type of content is social content. When you are at a party or you're at a festival or at the beach or whatever it is that makes you relax, you're in a relaxed atmosphere, you can post such content on Facebook. Then the fourth one is personal or business motivational quotes. There are so many of them online there. You can create yours and then you post on your page. And then the fifth one is the books you have read. You can post, put the picture and mention about the book and what you have learned from the book, or a movie you have watched. People want to follow you, want to know what's happening. So just post it, and you will see that people want to share and they want to go along with you in what you have posted for them. And then lastly, products or services you offer to the market. Of course, if you have a product or a service you are rendering, please post it on your Facebook page or your Facebook normal profile or fan page. These are the 6 things, the content I believe will go viral if you carefully and consciously on a daily basis post them. So I guess you have learned something today. Okay. Once again, this is Olu Joseph from olujoseph.com, and God bless you.